morning, friends. So this morning I thought I would make this new cinnamon roll recipe. It's kind of going viral on TikTok. Y'all may have seen it, but basically you take just a regular can of cinnamon rolls and you turn them into these huge fluffy like Cinnbon style cinnamon rolls. So I thought my kids would definitely enjoy it. They look delicious, so I thought I'd make some and share it with y'all too. All right, let's see. So for the recipe, it calls for 2 cans of cinnamon rolls, but I got to thinking, my kids are the only ones eating it. They're not gonna eat 2 whole cans of cinnamon rolls, so we're just gonna half the recipe. Got that. Gonna need some heavy cream, half a stick of butter, and brown sugar. All right, let's preheat the oven to 350. Okay, so the recipe on TikTok, sorry I'm having to talk a little bit quieter, uses the Pillsbury, the grand cinnamon rolls. They're already a little bit bigger, but I just got the regular kind and I'm just gonna use 1 can. We're just gonna roll with it. I'm sure they'll still turn out fine. But I am still gonna use a bigger dish because like I said, they get big, so I want them to have room to do that. Now, since I'm halving the recipe, I have a half a cup of heavy cream and I'm just gonna pour that all in the bottom of the pan around the cinnamon rolls. Maybe a little on top. Okay, next I'm just gonna melt half a stick of butter. Y'all, my camera was not recording, so I melted that butter. I added a little bit of brown sugar. The original recipe calls for half a cup, and I added some cinnamon. Now we're just gonna put this all over top of the cinnamon rolls and all kind of around them. And several people in TikTok said it looks kind of weird when you're making it, but it turns out good. Some people cover it and some people did not with some tin foil. So I'm gonna cover it and start with about 30 minutes and then we can always uncover it for the rest of the time. Actually, I think I'm gonna go about 20 minutes since these are the regular size. All right, they've been baking for about 15 or 20 minutes covered, and y'all just look at how ooey and gooey they already are. But they definitely need to go back in there, so I'm gonna uncover them and do about 15 more minutes. I'll keep an eye on them, and they have definitely gotten bigger already. So once they finish baking, you can see they really have doubled in size. But next time though, I am going to be sure to pick up those Grands variety. And y'all, look at these things. They soak up all of that butter and heavy cream mixture. That's what gets them to be so big and fluffy. And then you just use the frosting that comes with it to put that on top. Of course, my kids love these. McKenna has already requested these for her birthday breakfast. And y'all, I'm not sure I can ever make canned cinnamon rolls again. With only a few ingredients, this really takes up your cinnamon roll game to another level. I think only one thing can make those cinnamon rolls even better, and that is a perfect cup of coffee. And today I want to take a quick second and show you this amazing new coffee product I found, and you don't even need a special maker to have it. This coffee is from Cometeer, and a big gracious thank you to them for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Cometeer is flash frozen to lock in that peak of freshness, and it's a completely new format of coffee. Most importantly, it is absolutely delicious. So Cometeer works by monthly shipments shipped right to your door. You can do customized boxes on your roast preferences such as light, dark, decaf, and they even have new flavors each month. Literally all you need is that capsule and a cup and some water. Let me show you how to make it. Oh my gosh, I smell it already. That smells so good. You know that smell when you walk into a really good coffee shop? That's that smell, and I'm not really even that close to it. All right, I've been saving this flavor to try with y'all because it sounded like it was gonna be my favorite. So let's give it a try. Like I said, it has that perfect coffee smell. All I need is a rainy porch and I'm good. Let's try it. Wow. So this has hints of milk chocolate. You definitely get that in there, along with that candied walnut flavor. I love it. Well, these are perfect for camping, vacation, but even hotels. We're staying in a hotel soon for a dance competition, and there ain't no way I'm using those coffee makers in hotel rooms. These are coming with me. This legitimately tastes like a $5 cup of coffee. For a very limited time, Cometeer is offering a huge discount of 50% off your first order plus free shipping when you order through my link today. You definitely don't want to miss out on this one. So to a mixing bowl, we're just gonna add 1 can of cream and mushroom soup. And this recipe is one of my favorites because when Darren and I, or the whole family really, is eating healthy and not a whole lot of recipes, sometimes the kids, they've told me they want something, you know, a little bit more hearty, a little bit more of a recipe, let's just say. So this is an easy one to throw together if maybe you're in the same situation. It only has 5 ingredients and it is really delicious too. All right, next we're just gonna pour in 1/4 cup of milk. I'm just gonna eyeball that. And then we're just gonna add about 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. Any kind of cheese that you want. I have some mild shredded cheddar cheese, so that's what I'm going with. And we're just gonna mix all that together. Splash more milk. Right now I'm just gonna bring over a small baking dish. You can use an 8x8 square baking dish, or this is just a small one. I'm not sure of the exact measurements. Also, I'm sorry if you hear people seeming like they're gonna fall through my ceiling. That's my kids. All right, so we're just gonna put that mixture right in the bottom of our baking dish. And just kind of spread that out into an even layer. Y'all, I was not even recording. Sometimes I hate this camera. I really need to get my old camera fixed. Anyway, so to a bowl here, I have 1 cup of shredded, already cooked chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken. You can use canned chicken. If you have grilled chicken already done for meal prep, anything like that, that'll work perfect in here. Already cooked. Just shred it up. About 1 cup of that, and then 1 cup of that shredded cheddar as well. I have all that mixed together. So we're just gonna push that to the side, and then we're gonna bring over 1 roll of crescent rolls. All right, so you're just gonna roll out your little croissant triangles just like that, and then you're gonna bring over that chicken and cheese mixture and just place 1 to 2 heaping tablespoons inside the big part of your crescent roll. And then we're just gonna roll it up. Try to keep that in there the best you can, but if a little bit falls out, it's all good. I'm gonna pinch together that seam in the back, and then I'm gonna bring back over our little cream of mushroom soup mix. I'm gonna place the croissant right down in there. I'm gonna do the same thing for the rest of my crescent rolls. Into the oven at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes until the tops start to look golden brown. I just love how the bottoms of these croissants get kind of soft, almost like a dumpling, and then the top gets all buttery and flaky and golden. These are just perfect. Your kids are gonna love these. If you've never tried these, I know they're a popular recipe. You seriously need to try them. So to a medium-sized mixing bowl, first we're gonna add 1/2 stick of butter, 1 stick softened. Got a little bit soft there, but it'll be fine. We're gonna add 1 package of softened cream cheese, and now we're just gonna blend those together until it is smooth. Next, we're gonna add in 3/4 cup of sugar and then 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give that a mix. Now we're gonna add in 1 cup of flour, just a little bit at a time, adding it in gradually. Next to the bowl, I have about 15 Oreos over here. I'm just gonna crush those in the bowl. I guess you could crush them all up in a bag first, that might be easier. I'm just gonna do it like this, because you do want kind of big pieces in there. You don't want it to be like a cookies and cream where it's just all mixed together. You want those big chunks of Oreo, kind of big. Not real big, y'all know what I mean. Okay, we're just gonna kind of fold the Oreos into the batter. Once that's all mixed, you're gonna refrigerate this for about 1 hour before we scoop them out and bake them. If you are a fan of cheesecake, I think you would really like these cookies. They're not overly sweet and they stay kind of in their shape. They stay nice and soft and puffy like that. We thought these were really, really good. Like I said, not too overly sweet. So definitely if you like that style of cookie, you're gonna love these. But thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you'll give these recipes a try. Don't forget to go check out Cometeer as well. I hope you're all doing great and I'll see y'all real soon in my next one. Bye y'all.